Hey everyone, so today in this video I will do a speed test of Redmi 6 Pro versus Redmi Note 5. Chinese variant in India is called Redmi Note 5 Pro, but in China it's called Redmi Note 5 AI variant. So we can compare first the features of both phones. These both phones are 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, and the price is almost similar, like Redmi 6 Pro is 999 RMB and Note 5 Pro is 1099 RMB in China. So let's see the features. So in Redmi 6 Pro you can see the CPU is Snapdragon 625, in Redmi Note 5 Pro is Snapdragon 636, RAM is 3GB, camera is same, battery is same, resolution of Redmi 6 Pro is much better. So in RAM 3GB, CPU of Redmi 6 Pro is octa-core 2 GHz, but in Redmi Note 5 is CPU octa-core 1.80 GHz. So this is the basic difference. Now we will do the speed test and begin our video.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
So you have seen the difference of both phones and which is more faster. So the winner is Redmi Note 5 Pro or Redmi Note 5 Chinese variant. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and more videos are coming. Stay tuned.